In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery on this key fob for the Dodge Stratus. This key fob was used on Stratuses between 2000 and 2006, and this is the same key fob used both for the sedan and for the convertible. Inside here, we're going to find two of these CR 2016 batteries. The only thing you will need, two of these batteries and a flathead screwdriver. And if you'd like to pick these batteries up online, I have put a link in the description so that you can get them on Amazon for just a couple of dollars. First step now is to look right here along the seam on the right side of the key fob. You can see this little slot. We're going to take our flathead, insert it in, and twist just like that until we've made a little bit of an opening along the side of the key fob, and then you can just pull the thing apart just like that. You can see there are actually two batteries stacked on top of each other. I'm going to just use my fingernail and lift it out. You could also carefully go in there with your flathead screwdriver. I think it's easier to just use your fingernail. Just pop that out, pretty easy. Now this one sits down a little bit deeper. I just like to push on one side and then give myself a little room to do the same thing. Just lift it out. Here we go, 2016, you can see it right there. Take your new batteries and put them face up, positive side up, right into place. Click one in. Battery number two, same thing, positive side up, goes right on top. And now just click the device back together and you are all set. I hope you found that video helpful, and if you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And for more information on how to change the battery for any of your key fobs from any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.